Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. So, firstly, it could be a problem of the audio player, so open it and firstly we should remove it from the cache and open it again. Maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, also check for update for this application, maybe you should update it. Now, also we can check software version, so open the application, now go to the settings here, scroll down and click on device information, and where here is said that I have the last version. If you have it, just update to a new one. If it didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset, and we can make it right here in the application. Just click on it, then click OK. Now hide the application, open settings, connected devices, and if you have Android you can just click on it and then click pair, or if you have iOS we should remove it, so forget. Now pair new device, it entered to prank mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list and then click pair. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!